those videos I did, I was so far away kind of from the camera, I figured I'd do like a POV type of thing with the Smith & Wesson Model 41. I'll put a few rounds into that tire that's up there. Just maybe you can get a better feel for how this actually sounds from the shooter's perspective. So this is 10 rounds. It's the Smith & Wesson Model 41 once again. This is with the SWR Spectre II, and it's got the Seymour red dot sight on there. So let's put a few rounds through it, see how it sounds from here. So that was 5 rounds into the tire. It's hitting that steel rim, and that's all you hear. So I'll shoot into that down tree right next to it and see what that sounds like. Yeah, it's just, that's all you're hearing is the bullet impact the target. It is, and this thing, man, this thing is a tack driver. I just love this gun. So cool. I had 5 loose standard velocity rounds sitting there, so I figured why not go ahead and shoot them. Can you tell I like this gun? I don't know, might be difficult to tell. So much fun.